Thank you very much for the course. I found it very useful and informative, coming from a very non-technical background in this. Um, some of the points are very worthwhile, and I'll pick them up with our ICT manager, who I know is doing the next course. I don't know. I don't know how it was organised, but perhaps even for our own internal discussions, if the ICT manager and somebody like myself for business continuity were on the course at the same time, it might have allowed us to have more in-depth conversations about what's happening within our own organisation. But we'll take that away and have those conversations after he's completed the course as well.